My parents and my brother became patients of Austin Regional Clinic in 1980. I was 5 years old. My brother and I saw Austin Regional Clinic pediatricians, and we grew up seeing the family practice doctors within ARC. Austin Regional Clinic has been such an important part of my life growing up that actually when I became old enough, I became employed with Austin Regional Clinic, and it's a great place to work and just a trusted name in Austin. One of my children has asthma, and I was concerned because he was the one that had H1N1 virus. It was big. We were watching the H1N1 updates nightly with the weather report. It was during the H1N1 virus season, and it was a scary time. I was worried about my children, of course. I think everyone was. They became sick during this time, and we wanted to make sure what the symptoms were, if it wasn't just a cold or if it was flu. We ended up going in to see our pediatrician, and they diagnosed my children with H1N1 virus. At that point, I was worried and concerned. There was a concern for children who had chronic conditions that would become very ill from it in a matter of days or hours. During the course of 4 days, he didn't get better. We were advised to bring him back to the doctor if not. So we did call our Austin Regional Clinic pediatrician, Dr. Spencer, and the nurse answered our call and took a note for the doctor to see if we'd be able to come back in or what should we do at this point. Dr. Spencer had the nurse call us back, and she let us know that he wanted to see Jonah before the weekend. The concern was because he had asthma, just to make sure that he would be okay going into the weekend. He looked at Jonah, made sure that he was okay going into the weekend. He gave us a contact phone number. Over the weekend, Jonah was improving, and Dr. Spencer even gave us a phone call to make sure and check on him and just calm my fears about Jonah's care. And Jonah did recover and go back to school by Monday. I was so thankful and appreciative of Dr. Spencer's care for Jonah during that time. We sent him a thank you card for that instance, but words cannot express what his actions meant to a worried mom who trusts him with her greatest treasure. I appreciate all the care that we received with Austin Regional Clinic doctors. We've trusted them for our care through 3 generations, and we'll continue seeing Austin Regional Clinic doctors.